Stock ideas for tomorrow morning, and for that today let's start with Ajay.
Hi Nikunj. Nikunj, there is a lot of stock which daily rooms are quite bullish on. The first one is GVK Power. At the second hour of trade today, we did see a lot of position build-up which was happening in GVK Power, and daily rooms feel that the stock may be heading for a monthly high. It is actually looking that 15 to 16 rupees the share could be the next target level as far as GVK Power is concerned. The second stock to watch out for would be ING Vysya. Now, our sources tell us that one big Singapore-based FII has been looking at ING Vysya increasing the shareholding quite closely and is looking at every dip to buy in that one. Also, we saw that Monday's trading session, cash-based buying actually happened. Delivery has been on the higher side. And if you look at fundamentally, brokers keep a target of between 400 to 450 rupees a share. If you look at the several brokerages and on valuation fronts too, it is not terribly expensive, just about 1.2 times price to book on FY13 basis. So looks like ING Vysya could be one stock where institutional activity could be happening quite aggressively going forward.
Sandeep Bagli, a very basic Nifty strategy for tomorrow morning.
Well, Nikunj, actually I was short till 2 o'clock, and the way it has recovered, I would like to, as I said, I would like to wait and watch. But I don't rule out an upside of 30-40 points. Now, whether to take a call and go short there or whether to wait for some decline and go long for a 70-80 point up move, very honestly, I need some more evidence. So I would refrain from giving a strategy. I need some more evidence.
Anand, for those who sold in the month of May and went away, should they come back?
I would agree, because
what should they buy then?
As I mentioned, Yes Bank and IndusInd Bank in the banking space, we do like infrastructure. GAVK, Lanco are good buys. In the media space, we do like Dish TV. Sun looks interesting now, having fallen. So there are a whole host of opportunities in the mid-cap space. In the pharma space, one could look at Strides, Lupin, and in the large cap space, we think in HDFC Bank offers good opportunity given the fall it's had in the recent few weeks. So there is opportunity, but the caveat, as I mentioned, given June 17th event, one should start dipping into the markets, but should not go, should not fully allocate your capital.
Give us one name, Anant, where you are personally keen on investing out of the long list you've given us.
Amongst the list, I do think Lanco looks very interesting, but something which I do personally invest is the stock CRISIL. Liquidity is not there, but I do think the business is fundamentally very strong, will grow, and I think there's a great bit of value in holding that business.
Sandeep Bagli, I'll keep the market cap constraint open. What is your top idea for tomorrow morning, if you can choose from large cap, small cap, or even from mid cap?
We have given a buy in JP Associates. I have also taken a trade in that. So I would go with that. I see good momentum that is closed at the highest point of the day. So move from 65, 25, 65, 30 up to 68 or so is what I'm expecting. That is quite a good move.
Gentlemen, good to have you on the show. Thank you for your insights.